today I'm getting an injection on my left leg. It's one of many of the different procedures that they have here, which is pretty cool because I didn't think that they had many different ways to, fix our issues that we come here, like myself and other people as well. So this is the easiest and most fastest one since I've been here, because I'm towards the end of my treatment process, so I'm pretty psyched. Well, I'm 37. These veins on both my legs, obviously long term can be a very health risk for me. And so I seeked out, looked them up. I called my insurance first, of course, and they gave me a few options. And I looked through, of course, nowadays you get to see reviews and all these things. And I saw nothing but great things about Dr. Cass and the staff here. So I came here the first time, and it's been a great experience ever since. Well, so I have varicose veins on both my legs. First one, they put a catheter in the vein, and then the tip gets hot, and then it just eliminates the vein. Then the next one, where they actually made a few small incisions in my leg and just actually pulled the veins out. But I never felt a pain, never felt anything, just besides him doing what Dr. Cass does. And now I'm towards the end of my treatment, which is now just injections of a particular medicine that just covers a certain area and then, miraculously just dissolves the vein, which is awesome, But throughout the whole process, it's been nothing but a great experience. Great. My leg is feeling good, looking much better. I was a little bit self-conscious of my leg. Sometimes I'm wearing shorts, I don't like it because everyone would just stare. But I'm looking forward to summertime, spring, of course, and it's looking good. Yeah, absolutely. Take my word for it. I'm the type of guy that just really, goes for the experience as far as how much they care, the quality, the attention, and that's what I got here. Friendliness, they're attentive, they're professional, and it's been a smooth experience. Zero pain, honestly, for the most part. Maybe just a pinch, with the first little needle, but other than that, I highly recommend it. Absolutely.